When you're starting research on a topic that's new to you, finding the right information can feel overwhelming. Many people still think of the library as just a place about books, but today's library gives you access to much more than that. You can explore current news, academic articles, videos, audiobooks, and other credible sources, all available to you online through the library databases. These various library sources provide background information on your topic, as well as in-depth research on the latest scientific studies. These resources are especially important when you are doing college-level research and need reliable information you can trust. For the first part of your ENC1101 research project, you'll be using the Gale Power Search database to explore a topic you have selected according to your instructor's guidance and begin developing a working thesis statement. This database is available through the library's website and brings together high-quality academic sources in one place. In this video, I will show you how to access the library databases and log in so you can get started on your research. If you're able to, open a second browser window and keep this video open while you follow along. You can do that by using Ctrl+N to open a new tab, then resize both windows so they sit side by side. Pause the video as needed and take your time. The goal is to make sure you feel comfortable navigating the databases before you start your research. Starting on the college homepage, click on Student Life. Then select Libraries. From the Libraries page, click on Databases by Subject. Click on the letter G and look through the list until you find Gale Power Search. Click on the database name to open it. You will log in using the same Rivermail email and password you used for the River portal. Gale Power Search is a powerful subscription database that allows students to search across multiple academic disciplines to find sources on a wide range of topics. What makes Gale Power Search especially useful is that it combines content from many different databases into one place. Because of this, using very general or one-word search terms can return an overwhelming number of results. Gale Power Search helps you refine your search by clearly showing your search terms and allowing you to combine them in ways that make your results more focused and relevant to what you are actually looking for. Think of this first attempt to search for sources in Gale Power Search as a way to get the lay of the land. If you're new to your topic, it's helpful to see what's out there. Don't worry about being too specific at this stage. Once you are inside Gale Power Search, the key to getting useful results is how you choose and combine your keywords. Keywords represent the main ideas of your topic, and the way you connect them determines how broad or narrow your search will be. We use Boolean operators in research to combine terms and create more comprehensive search strategies. By combining two terms using the AND Boolean, we can build a powerful search. Let me show you how this works. Before I start searching, I want to briefly introduce my topic. I am researching how artificial intelligence is being used in education and its impact on learning. My specific thesis statement is, artificial intelligence is transforming education by improving personalized learning, increasing student engagement, and changing how instructors teach and assess students. To find strong, relevant sources, it is important to use effective keyword strategies, which is why tools like Boolean operators are so useful when searching databases like Gale Power Search. For example, if you are interested in artificial intelligence in education, searching for artificial intelligence by itself will give you a very large set of results. To narrow your focus, you can combine terms using AND. Searching for artificial intelligence and education will limit your results to sources that address both issues. If you want to be even more specific, you can add an age group you want to focus your research on. A search like that could be artificial intelligence and education and college. You can also use OR to include similar terms. In the previous example, I added college to my search, but if I am unsure of the results, I might try to add or higher education after college. So my search would be artificial intelligence and education and college or higher education. As you do the research, you will become more familiar with the appropriate words to use. This tells the database to include articles that use either phrase, which helps capture more relevant results. Caffeine alone is a very broad topic. Using caffeine and productivity narrows results to sources discussing the effects of caffeine on performance and focus. Adding students, as in caffeine and productivity and students, creates an even more focused set of results. As you review your results, take note of the words and phrases used in article titles and subject terms. These can give you ideas for adjusting your keywords and refining your search. If your results still feel too broad, add another keyword. If they feel too limiting, remove a term or try using or instead. You are encouraged to experiment with different combinations until your results closely match the focus you want for your project. One of the biggest strengths of Gale Power Search is the tools it gives you to control and refine your search. Databases are powerful not just because of the information they contain, but because of the features built in to help you shape your search as you go. As you start experimenting with keywords, make sure to use the Revise Search option at the top of the page. This allows you to change, add, or remove search terms without starting over, making it much easier to adjust your search until your results match what you are looking for. Two additional tools that can help you fine-tune your results are Search Within and Topic Finder. The Search Within option allows you to look for a specific keyword or phrase inside the set of articles you already retrieved. This is especially helpful if your original search returned good results, but you want to narrow them down further to focus on a particular aspect of your topic. If you prefer a more visual approach, you can use Topic Finder. Topic Finder displays your search results as a visual map of keywords, making it easier to see which ideas appear most often. To find relevant articles this way, look for the keyword that seems most important or most closely related to your topic. Click on that term and Gale Power Search will generate a new list of recommended articles connected to it. Using tools like Search Within and Topic Finder gives you more control over your research and helps you quickly identify articles that closely match what you need for your assignment. Once you begin opening individual articles, pay attention to the tools available on the article page. When you find an article that really meets your needs, take a moment to look at the list of similar or related articles that appear alongside it. These suggestions are based on shared subjects and keywords and can quickly lead you to additional high-quality sources that closely match your topic. In your initial search phase, you will browse through the titles and abstracts of the results that come up, paying attention to the range of subtopics, recurring themes, and the types of sources available, whether those are peer-reviewed journal articles, book chapters, conference papers, or other formats. This initial scan does two important things. It gives you a sense of how much material exists on your topic, and it helps you start building your own understanding of the subject, including terminology that experts use, which you can then incorporate into more targeted searches later on. Gale Power Search also makes saving and citing sources easier. If you choose to email an article to yourself, the database will send you a PDF copy of the article. In the email, you will find a pre-formatted MLA-style citation. You can use this citation directly in your Works Cited list for your assignment, which helps save time and ensures your citation is formatted correctly. Using features like Revise Search, related articles, and built-in citation tools allows you to work more efficiently and confidently as you move toward a focused topic and a strong set of sources for your research project.